Hello everyone. In this question, one trigonometric equation is given, that is 10 sine 4 alpha plus 15 cos 4 alpha equal to 6. Then we have to find the value of this expression, that is 27 cosec 6 alpha plus 8 sec 6 alpha. This is an important question, so I will tell you to solve this yourself, otherwise watch solution. Now I will give you best solution in this video to solve such type of question. You can see this. We can write this equation, that is 10 sine 4 alpha plus 15 cos 4 alpha equal to 6, and if we divide this by 6, then we can write here this as 5 over 3, and I can write sine 4 alpha as sine square alpha into sine square alpha plus, and this can be written as 5 over 2, and I will write this cos 4 alpha as a cos square alpha into cos square alpha equal to 1. And if we solve this question, then one formula keep in mind, that is sine square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to what? 1. If angles are same and square of sine and square of cos is sum of this two is equal to 1 always. So by this formula, if we are able to make this term as a 1, and also for this, then we get only sine square alpha plus cos square alpha. So this will be equal to 1. Left side and right side will be equal. So to make this expression as a 1, we need to consider sine square alpha equal to what? 3 over 5, and this cos square alpha equal to what? 2 over 5. Why I am saying this too? Because if we put now in place of sine square alpha 3 over 5, then you can see that here if we put 3 over 5 and cos square alpha equal to 2 over 5, and if we add this, then we get 3 plus 2, that is 5 over 5, which is equal to 1. So we can consider this is this will be true, okay, because this is happening here 1. So if this is equal to 3 over 5, so this means cosec is cosec square alpha equal to what? 5 over 3. And same we can say that sec square alpha equal to 5 over 2. So if we put value here, if we are able to put value here, that is in place of 27, and cosec 6 alpha can be written as cosec square alpha to the power 3, and 8 into sec is 6 alpha can be written as sec square alpha to the power 3. By exponent rule we can write, and here 27 in place of cosec 6 square alpha, if we write 5 over 3 whole cube, and 8 sec square alpha in place we can write 5 over 2 and whole cube. Then we can write here 27 into 125 over 27 plus 8 into 125 over 8, because 2 cube is 8, 5 cube is 3. So we can write now this 27 get cancelled, 8 get cancelled, so we can write 125 plus 125, which is equal to 250. So 250 will be the required answer for this question. So thanks for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe this channel.